Today we're making plátano maduro wrapped in bacon with a sour cream sauce. Let's go.
She let that thing go. Ooh yeah. Yeah, drop it low to the floor. She a pro, like she poppin', let it go.
First things first, get your plátano, aka plantain. The more yellow or brown that it is, the sweeter it will be. So this one will be moderately sweet. You're gonna slice down either side to help with the peeling process. Once you got this peeled, then you're gonna chop it into 1 to 1 1/4 inch pieces. About 13 millimeters. Anyway, then you're gonna wrap this in bacon. And the best way to get this to stick together would be with a toothpick. Right through the middle, just jam it right in, just whoop, right in there. Yeah, out the other side, bam, just like that. Stick this in your grease. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe. Continue to like, comment, and share. Appreciate it, everybody. Now, 5 minutes in, you want to go ahead and flip these. Get them cooked evenly on both sides. Then when you remove them from the grease, put them on a plate with paper towel. Let the grease drip off. And let them sit, cool down for about 10 minutes. Look how delicious. Then on to the sauce. I'm gonna do sour cream, a little bit of sofrito, homemade, recipe below. Then some dried cilantro, onion powder, garlic powder, and salt and pepper, and mix very well. Now once these are dry, plate them up just for presentation purposes, because you're about to devour them anyway. And dippity dip, and take a bit, or a bite. Delicious.
Pillow, she gon' make me go on Zillow. Mess around and I'ma buy your ass a house. Mess around and I got makeup on my couch. I don't ever wanna see you eating a nigga.